Hantu loker. Hantu terkadang tidak menampakkan wujudnya ketika sedang melakukan aksinya. Seperti halnya dengan poltergeist, sebuah kejadian bergeraknya benda karena energi yang tidak terlihat. Biasanya dikarenakan oleh energi paranormal yang kuat. Kejadian poltergeist biasanya sangat mengerikan jika di sekitar kita ada benda tajam. Jasko dan Chris dari kanal YouTube bernama Jasko bersama Mo dan Angelo berempat menelusuri sebuah gedung tua yang entah sudah berapa lama ditinggalkan. Tidak seperti gedung tua lainnya, gedung ini bersih tanpa vandalisme. Mereka berempat terkadang menelusuri bersamaan, kadang pula berpisah untuk kepentingan konten masing-masing. Mo untuk kanal Mosargi dan Angelo untuk kanal Exploring with Angelo. Mereka seringkali diganggu oleh suara-suara keras.
Oh shit.
How's that? Ooh. That's sketchy.
Why is it so easy to get?
I don't know.
Supposedly, from what Angelo says, there's many buildings here, so we're gonna take a look at all of them.
Oh shit, that scared me.
That's what scared me. Oh, it's not graffiti. It's a nice little thing.
That's Snoopy?
I mean, that's the #1 thing I fear. I mean, obviously paranormal, but other people with bad intentions. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Good job. It's fine. I'm so sorry.
Every night, every night, at least once a night.
Well, it's nice to meet you guys. I do this all the time. There's a walking noise coming from down here. Something might have exited through that door.
Oh, is that door open as well?
No? I don't remember that was open.
Wait, wasn't that in the corner?
Oh, big ass spider. Is that a condom behind you? Alrighty. So, who wants to start off?
Let me ask a question.
Go ahead.
I just took a souvenir. Was that a bad idea? Is there anything attached to the souvenir in here?
Say why? Why'd you take it?
How many spirits are lingering around in here?
Three?
What did you guys hear?
I heard three.
I heard three.
That's what I heard.
Hello. Hello, is there, how many spirits are in this theater with us right now?
There's a few of them, I think.
We heard some dragging noises earlier. Was that you that caused it?
Ooh.
Was that you who made that sound on the stage? Yes. Okay.
We got a yes from that, huh?
Do you
have a name? Do you have a name? Do you have a name attached to you? That sounds demonic as well.
Are you a demon?
I think we should ask that.
Guys! What the
Keep rolling, keep rolling. Holy shit.
Wait.
I see you.
Guys, everybody take a door. Everybody take a door.
Alright, ready?
Everyone take a door.
We going?
Really? What in the fuck is going on here?
Look.
Oh, what the fuck? Is there something? Dude,
That's why there's somebody here.
there's something attached to that thing.
Ketika mereka berada di tengah-tengah aula pertunjukan dan menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan, semua pintu di belakang mereka yang belum lama mereka lewati tertutup, bahkan dengan cara dibanting.
Guys! What the
Sebuah figur yang bergantung di pintu pun sudah menjadi pertanyaan sendiri, karena figur itu sudah berpindah sebanyak 2 kali. Ketika semua kejadian ini terjadi, mereka belum melakukan eksplorasi mandiri. Artinya, mereka selalu bersama sehingga tidak mungkin semua gangguan itu dilakukan oleh salah satu dari mereka. Tetapi bisa jadi mereka tidak hanya berempat di sana. Entah mereka membawa tim tambahan untuk membuat gangguan, atau jika tidak, ada orang lain yang sengaja mengganggu mereka sambil bersembunyi. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Ketika mereka masih berdiskusi mengenai pintu-pintu itu, sesuatu terjadi di panggung.
I didn't hear it. What the fuck was that?
What is that?
That was out here. I don't know.
Yeah. What? What is the stage? What about it? Look! There's a... That wasn't there before. Whatever the fuck that is. What is it? It's like a cross.
No chance.
Something... Something I thought it was floating. Look, it's like new stuff and shit. There's a sheep right under it. Why is there a sheep under it?
Where did that come from? Was that there the whole
Wasn't
time?
Jesus a sheep? The sheep was down there.
That's what I thought.
Wasn't Jesus a sheep?
There's no way that cross is there.
Is there
before.
something biblical about an upside down cross and about a sheep?
Tidak ada yang menyadari selainmu. Sebuah salib tergantung terbalik di sana dengan figur domba di bawahnya. Menurutmu, dua benda ini tadinya tidak ada di sana. Mari kita lihat lagi ketika mereka masih berada di tengah ruangan itu sebelum tragedi pintu. Benar saja, di panggung tidak ada salib dan figur domba. Jika kita analisis, jelas sekali ini bukan perbuatan mereka berempat. Salib itu jelas cukup besar dan tergantung. Posisi ini tidak mungkin dilakukan oleh satu manusia, tetapi pasti butuh setidaknya 2 atau 3 orang yang melakukan. Jika itu dilakukan oleh manusia. Tetapi, bagaimana jika ini adalah perbuatan hantu? Tentunya sangat mengerikan. Setelah mengeksplorasi bangunan itu, mereka menuju bagian lain dari wilayah itu. Sepertinya bangunan itu sangatlah besar. Kali ini Mo dan Angelo berpisah dengan mereka. Kini Jasko dan Chris berada di sebuah mantan sekolah yang memiliki kisah mengerikan dari seorang tukang bersih-bersih yang dulunya bekerja di sana dan melakukan banyak sekali tindakan kotor. Tentu saja mereka menemukan kejadian yang mengerikan di sana.
Well, from what I understand, oh dude, look how creepy that is. Look, yo, the janitor bucket. The janitor bucket. You're right. Yo, because there was supposed like some really bad shit going on with the janitor, and I think what Mo said was janitor Jimmy. Jimmy something, yeah. So, it's entirely up to you. I say, because there's a lot of wings in this area. This is a really big school. So what I'm thinking is, if you want, you could go down this direction or down the other way. I'm gonna head down here.
Yeah, sure.
All right, bro. See ya.
Good luck.
Good luck. Okay. Well, oh my gosh. Yo, those are lockers, bro. Be careful, bro, please. Elevator? Oh, bro, a bathroom. Man, all right, perfect. I'm allowed in here. Well, it's me and my Crocs. Okay, awesome. Oh, jeez. Well, that doesn't go there. Oh, dude, this is awesome. Come on, focus. It's really hard to focus. What the ever-living was that? Yo, Yo, Chris. You good? You. Oh, Chris.
What was you?
That wasn't you.
No, bro. I'm in here. I thought that was you.
There's no way.
Oh, yo, that's.
Yeah, I know. That wasn't you.
Ember pel yang mereka temui di awal terjatuh tanpa ada seorang pun di sana. Apa kalian curiga pada Mo dan Angelo? Mungkin kecurigaan kalian benar. Tetapi jika kita perhatikan, ketika Jasko dan Chris berada di lorong itu, langkah mereka sangat terdengar. Sehingga jika ada orang lain yang sengaja menendang ember itu kemudian lari, pasti akan terdengar suara langkah kaki. Apakah orang itu tidak pakai alas kaki supaya tidak terdengar? Sepertinya tidak, karena tidak pakai alas kaki di bangunan itu sama saja cari penyakit. Di akhir video, mereka berempat melakukan sesi spirit box dan duduk di sebuah ruangan dekat dengan locker. Tentu saja mereka menemukan sesuatu yang mengerikan.
You guys ready? You said this is weird.
Yeah, but the moment I walked into this place, like, even when I went down over your show happened, the second I walked into this room, the battery was like, let's just say
We could really put on the table, sit down on the floor, it's clean ass floor. I don't like this floor. Those are some serious cries. Jimmy, are you here right now? Jimmy, can you make yourself known, my guy?
it's so weird that I just got so.
What the f? No. What the f is that? What the f is that? There's no f***ing way. There's no f***ing way.
The lockers are closed. All the fucking lockers are closed.
Fucking lockers closed. What the?
Suara berisik di lorong itu tentu saja mengejutkan semua orang yang ada di sana. Terlihat dalam video bahwa semua pintu loker tertutup. Jika kita lihat lagi ketika mereka masuk ruangan itu, mayoritas pintu loker itu terbuka. Jadi, suara gemuruh itu berasal dari pintu loker yang terbuat dari besi. Siapa yang melakukan? Bisa jadi ini adalah kejadian paranormal. Jika ada seseorang yang iseng mengerjai mereka, tentu mereka akan mendengar suara langkah kaki karena banyak benda berantakan di lorong itu yang bisa saja terinjak atau tertendang ketika melangkah. Itu tadi hantu loker. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Apakah semua itu nyata ataukah hanya hoax belaka? Kalian yang menentukan. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.